Hi everyone, this assignment is creating template address labels. Open Word, click File, New. In the search box, type Address Labels. And then I would suggest picking a label that has 3 columns. And then go ahead and choose Create. There's 10 in each column, so there'll be a total of 30. And you could, if you had the special Avery labels, you could peel them off and stick them on envelopes. Because I'm doing this on my computer, it comes up with my name already, but it has my last name first. So I'm just going to select the first one and reverse, type my first name followed by my last name. Then I'm going to click Street Address. Notice it changed all of the tabs. And I'll type 123 Main Street, and then when I go down to City, State, and Postal, it changes all of them, and I'll put in Springfield, and again Country, USA, and then just click anywhere and it's done. You have a sheet full of 30 labels that you can peel and put right on envelopes. Go ahead and save and submit this one. Thank you.